Ever wondered how to start a dropshipping business with Shopify? Well, you're in the right place. Let's first understand what dropshipping is. It's a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. Now, why is dropshipping so popular? The main reason is it's incredibly accessible. With minimal startup costs, you can launch a store without having to deal with inventory. Plus, it's flexible. You can run your dropshipping business anywhere with an internet connection. Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform, makes setting up a dropshipping business a breeze. It's user-friendly, provides a variety of design options, and integrates well with dropshipping suppliers. So, are you ready to dive into the world of dropshipping with Shopify? Let's get started. So, what exactly is Shopify and why is it preferred for dropshipping? Well, Shopify is a prominent e-commerce platform, a one-stop shop that lets you build your very own online store from scratch. It's known for its user-friendly interface, making it a breeze for even beginners to set up a professional-looking store. With a range of themes to choose from, you can customize your store to reflect your brand's personality. But what makes Shopify the go-to platform for dropshipping? The answer lies in its seamless integration with apps like Oberlo, which simplifies the process of sourcing products and managing inventory. Now let's talk about pricing. Shopify offers three main plans: Basic Shopify, Shopify, and Advanced Shopify. Each plan offers different features, so you can choose one that best suits your business needs. Now that we know what Shopify is, let's understand how to set up a dropshipping store on it. Setting up a Shopify store can be done in just a few steps. Let's walk through this process together, shall we? First, you'll need to sign up for a Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and click on the Start Free Trial button. This will prompt you to enter some basic information, including your email address, password, and store name. Remember, your store name is crucial, as it represents your brand and makes the first impression on your customers. So choose something unique and catchy. Once you've signed up, you're ready to customize the look and feel of your store. Shopify provides a wide range of free and premium themes that you can choose from. Each theme has its own unique features and layout, so you can select one that best fits your business idea. You can also customize your chosen theme further by adding your logo, changing colors, and rearranging elements on your site. Next, you'll want to set up your payment methods. Shopify supports a plethora of payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify Payments, among others. To set these up, navigate to the Settings section of your Shopify dashboard, then select Payment Providers. Here, you can choose which payment methods you want to offer your customers. Remember to consider your target market when choosing your payment methods. Different regions have different preferred methods of payment, so do some research and choose wisely. Lastly, don't forget to set up your shipping options. Shopify allows you to set different shipping rates based on the customer's location, the weight of the product, and the shipping speed. You can find these settings under the shipping and delivery section of your Shopify settings. Once you've done all of this, you're ready to add products to your store and start selling. But before you do that, take a step back and review everything. Make sure your store represents your brand well and provides a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Great! Your Shopify store is now set up. Next, let's discuss how to select the right products for your store. Choosing the right products is a critical step in your dropshipping journey. As you embark on this journey, it's essential to remember that the items you select can make or break your business. So, how can you ensure you're making the right decisions? Firstly, consider the market demand. You want to offer products that people are actively seeking. This could mean trending items, or those that consistently maintain high demand. You could tap into various tools and platforms to gauge market trends, and use this data to inform your product selection. Next, think about your competition. While it's great to offer popular items, you also don't want to drown in a sea of similar offerings. Striking a balance between demand and differentiation is crucial. Try to find niche products that still have a reasonable level of demand. Profitability is another significant factor. After all, the primary goal of your business is to make money. Ensure the products you choose have a high profit margin. Take into account the cost of goods, shipping, taxes, and any other expenses. The difference between your total costs and the price at which you sell the product will determine your profit. Now, you might be wondering, where do I find these products? Well, Shopify offers a fantastic solution. The Oberlo app. Oberlo is a marketplace that allows you to find a wide array of products from suppliers all over the world. You can easily import these products into your Shopify store and start selling. It's a fantastic tool that can simplify your product sourcing process. Remember, choosing products for your store isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires regular review and adjustment. As market trends shift, so should your product offerings. Stay flexible, stay informed, and don't be afraid to make changes when needed. With the right products in place, it's time to understand how to manage orders and shipping. Managing orders and shipping in a dropshipping business is easy with Shopify. In the realm of dropshipping, order management is a fundamental aspect. Once a customer places an order from your Shopify store, it's our responsibility to ensure that the item reaches their doorstep seamlessly. The beauty of Shopify is that it simplifies this process significantly. When an order is placed, you'll receive a notification on your Shopify dashboard. You'll see the customer's details, the items they've purchased, and their shipping information. Now, it's time to fulfill the order. Fulfillment in dropshipping means you're passing the order details to your supplier. This can be done manually by emailing or messaging your supplier with the order details. However, Shopify streamlines this process with automatic fulfillment options. You can configure your store so that orders are automatically forwarded to your supplier. This allows you to focus more on growing your business and less on administrative tasks. Now, onto shipping settings. With Shopify, you have the freedom to customize your shipping policies to suit your business needs. You can set up different shipping rates based on the customer's location, the weight of the product, or the overall price of the order. You can even offer free shipping as a promotional strategy. Keep in mind, it's crucial to align your shipping policies with your supplier's capabilities. For instance, if your supplier only ships to certain countries, make sure your store's shipping settings reflect that. And don't forget about tracking. Customers appreciate being able to track their orders. Shopify allows you to send automated tracking updates to your customers, keeping them informed every step of the way. Lastly, remember to handle returns and refunds professionally. Shopify makes it easy to manage return requests and issue refunds when necessary, helping you maintain good customer relationships. As you can see, Shopify offers a comprehensive set of tools to manage orders and shipping in your dropshipping store, making your life as a business owner much easier. Now that we've covered the operational aspect, let's talk about marketing your Shopify store. Marketing is the lifeblood of any e-commerce business, and Shopify offers several tools to help you. Now let's dive into the different marketing strategies that can catapult your Shopify store to success. First off, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. It's all about making your store visible on search engines like Google. Shopify's inbuilt SEO features make it easy to add keywords, meta descriptions, and alt texts to your product pages, all of which can boost your store's search engine ranking. Remember, the higher your store appears in search results, the more traffic you're likely to get. Next up is social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are crucial for reaching potential customers. Shopify integrates seamlessly with these platforms, allowing you to showcase your products in a way that feels natural and engaging. You can even sell directly from these platforms, turning your social media followers into customers. Email marketing is another strategy you can't afford to ignore. It's a fantastic way to build relationships with your customers, keep them informed about new products, and encourage repeat purchases. Shopify's email marketing tools let you create attractive, professional-looking emails without needing to know a thing about coding. You can also automate your email campaigns, saving you time and ensuring your customers always hear from you at the right moment. And let's not forget about paid advertising. Shopify's Google Shopping app, for instance, makes it easy to create and manage Google Ads campaigns. These can be a powerful way to reach new customers and drive more traffic to your store. Finally, always remember to measure your marketing efforts. Shopify's analytics tools give you a clear picture of what's working and what's not, allowing you to fine-tune your strategies for maximum effectiveness. In conclusion, marketing your Shopify store involves a mix of SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Shopify's tools make it easy to implement these strategies, allowing you to reach more customers and boost your sales. With marketing in place, your Shopify dropshipping business is now ready to roll. Congratulations on setting up your Shopify dropshipping store. We've journeyed through the basics of understanding Shopify, the heart of your online business. We've seen how to set up your very own store, turning a blank canvas into a bustling digital marketplace. We explored how to choose products that align with your vision and attract your ideal customers. We delved into the world of managing orders and shipping, ensuring a smooth and efficient process, from click to delivery. And let's not forget about marketing. We uncovered how to make your store stand out in a crowded online space, drawing in visitors and converting them into loyal customers. But the journey doesn't stop here. The world of dropshipping is dynamic and ever-evolving. It demands continuous learning, adapting, and innovating. So keep your curiosity alive, stay flexible, and never stop learning. Remember, success in dropshipping requires continuous learning and adapting. Happy dropshipping!